One of the beauties of the FJ is there's no carpet back here to get filthy dirty. The downside to that is they put these panels on the back of the seat backs. They got these little ribs on there, but the plastic is so damn soft, it gets scratched up. So if you look what's going on here, this is not scratched up. Why is that? That is because I took this out last fall and spray can rhino lined it. So this up here, another one of my problems is it's so slippery. This here now it's got a little bit of grip on here. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the seat backs off because this has done its product development and proof of concept. Rattle spray can rhino line the back of the seat rests. So that way I'll have a little bit more grip and it won't look like shit as much as it does now. So let me show you how we're gonna do this. Okay, this is the driver's side. I'm going to check to make sure they're not sliding out because now with them on, I'm going to prep this and we're going to go outside and paint this. Now, let me show you the passenger side. Same thing. Slippery, soft plastic. We're going to paint it. Let's get this thing prepped and ready for paint. This is gonna look so damn good. I should have done this 2 years ago. All right, just like that. And the painting is done. I did not film, video, or even take still pictures of the painting because, I mean, if you're old enough to drive a FJ, you're old enough to know how to use a rattle can of spray paint. This looks amazingly better than before. And here's the beauty of this. Every year, every other year, I can pull these off and put another coat of new fresh paint on here. And I keep the interior of my FJ looking good. So the rattle can says to wait 72 hours while this cures. That's at normal temperatures and I'm in the 40s here in the garage. So hang out for 3 days. Don't go anywheres. And we're gonna put this back in the FJ and go, wow, look at that shit. That looks amazing. Okay, 72 hours. Flies by so fast. All right, so let's see how this works. Slide you down into there and line up the little tits to go into the, whoops. Is that good? I guess so. That looks awesome. And this side, that goes underneath there. And that goes like that. That goes like that. Look at that. Look at that. Does that not look awesome? But I never have my seats up. So back down they go into the proper positions. And we're good. We're good. I like it. And look. Look. There's not sticking down real well. I don't like how that's not sticking. Or maybe that's just the way it works. Okay, no, I was in. I was in. No problemo. Don't worry. Here you go. Man, it looks good, and it's grippy now. Stuff's not going to slide around on there as much as it did before. All right, man. I know you're not doing anything because you're sequestered at home too. So go get your rattle can rhino liner. I got mine delivered to me from Amazon because I'm not going out to the stores because Park City is infested with coronavirus. So you can get it at Home Depot, but you can also get it from Amazon. I got mine from Amazon. Now you're not getting 2-day delivery on Amazon because it's not a mission critical component for life-sustaining pandemic emergencies. But man, it looks good. I'm in love. I'm in love. All right, man. Hit subscribe, hit thumbs up, and get out there and fix your own FJ. See ya.